just left for summer and we're left here to stay and work out our grudges for the rest of the day. We'll go back to those nights under living room lights, hanging with friends that we left behind. For now we'll just sit here, stuck inside. We're feeling dead, but you're still alive. And we did in high school, we thought we were so cool, smoking cigarettes, talking about tattoos we'd get when we're older, when we had cash or the guts to rebel. The stereo's blown, we played it too loud, now we're going home. There's nothing to work for, we've seen it before. We're just killing time until you say goodbye. You're dead with denial from living room trails, so hoist up the white flag of living in clouds. But now we'll just sit here on standby. You're glued to concern, but you still can't fly. We did it in high school, we thought it was so cool, sneaking backstage at all of the shows. We never thought we'd get caught or grow up